not sorry cause that was intentional. I meant every word that I said. Yeah. You get angry with me cause I'm flexible.
Hey, hi bestie, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Peladi and I hope you are still doing well. If you'd like to see me again, or maybe you just don't want to miss another upload, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so you don't miss out on another upload. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be a slight bit different because I will be beating my face, yes, but I will be reviewing some makeup brushes that were sent to me, kindly sent to me by DuCare Beauty, and I will be playing with the brushes and explaining how they feel, what they do, where you can buy them, which brushes are for what, and all that jazz. So stick around because I am sure you're going to love the eye look and the whole entire beat that we create today. DuCare was kind enough to send me their 12-piece Panda eyeshadow brush set, 3-piece face brush set, and the magnificent, the Queen 12-piece brush set. I absolutely love the packaging of the Queen. These are the brushes that I will be focusing on in today's tutorial because they are just so lovely, and I thought I would give them center stage here on my YouTube channel before my other social media platforms. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, please take this as your cue to do just that. I'm on TikTok as well. If you are on the TikTok streets, you know what to do when you get to TikTok as well. I'm Peladi RSA across all social media platforms. So the Queen brush set comes in this beautiful black and red packaging. The design, everything about it is just so impeccable. I am so thrilled to own a brush set like this one. It has this luxurious feel to it that I have never felt, and the size of the brushes is so easy to, I can already tell actually that it will be so easy to grip and to hold onto the handles because of how larger than life and larger than any other brushes you've had. So the brush set does come with a booklet so that you know what brush is for what. Alright, so I'm now going to prime my face using my Sheetland Birthday Skin Primer.
Think you want each other. How could anyone believe?
For foundation, I will be wearing my Sheetland Complexion Pro foundation, and I will be using one of the DuCare brushes, their foundation brush for that. One thing about these brushes is that they are so soft. I don't know if you can tell, but it buffs in the foundation so flawlessly. It leaves no streaks whatsoever, almost like I'm using a beauty blender and not a brush. Absolutely love how it feels against my skin as well. Wow. One thing that I've noticed and that I love about this foundation brush is that it doesn't it doesn't suck up a lot of your product. It actually just blends so flawlessly that it only leaves you with enough coverage so that your foundation doesn't end up looking cakey, just like mine is looking right now. Up next, I'm going to do my eyes, and for that I will be using the TikTok tape method today because sis wants to start doing soft glam looks, and I thought what a fitting time to do a soft glam look while using these beautiful luxurious brushes. I will prime my lid space using my Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer. I will be creating a foxy eye inspired eyeshadow look today using my Modern Dolls Neutrals palette. We'll also be using these 3 eyeshadow brushes from the DuCare The Queen set. I'll write on the screen which one it is as I use them. What I'm doing now is I'm just washing this neutral shade all over my mobile lid just to make sure that we have a nice even tone base, and this brush just washed this shadow and blended it so seamlessly. I am very impressed. I cannot stop raving. The brush that I used for this step was the DuCare blending brush. Up next, I'm going to intensify where I want my smoke to be. So the next brush I will be using is the DuCare large eyeshadow brush. Because of how tapered the ends of these brushes are, they really allow you to really feather out your eyeshadow look and hold it right at the tip to allow for a seamless blend. And now to really define my outer eye area, I will be going in with the DuCare medium eyeshadow brush. What I love about this particular brush is that the bristles are so tightly packed together that it allows for a more detailed, a more refined, precise eyeshadow placement. Also, while holding it right at the rim, because of the eye look that we are going for today, I really do want a soft blend, and this brush set is giving. Now for my mobile lid, I will be using the DuCare concealer brush to press some shimmer onto that area. Even the concealer brush is nice and firm but still soft, allowing for precise shimmer placement. To soften up the edges, I will be going back in with the DuCare blending brush. And now for the moment of truth. And now to continue the rest of the base, I'm now going to prime my under eye area using my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Under Eye Primer. While I let that Liquid Camouflage Under Eye Primer get a bit more dry, I am going to snatch my face using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F18. For concealer today, I will be wearing, for the first time ever, the Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer, which I am in the shade Cool Espresso. This Catrice concealer can almost pass as my skin tone foundation, but I do not mind it at all because I do want to tone things down a little bit, and I have bought the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I will apply it on top of this one just to brighten my face, the center of my face a bit more. One thing about the Queen brush set that you should know is that the only stippling brush it has is the foundation brush, so there isn't any hard contour brush that you can use to blend out your contour in the set, nor is there a large enough concealer brush that you can use to blend out your concealer. I just thought I should let you know. Hence, I'm going to blend all of this out off camera because I exclusively want to use the cream brush set in today's video. So now that I am done blending out the product, I've left my nose contour out because DuCare does have a nose contour brush in this Queen brush set. I love the shape of DuCare's nose contour brush because you beauties know how much I love to snatch my nose, and I've had to alter brushes to make them angled like this. So this is a gem for me. It's a real steal and a real find because it curves to the shape of all the edges on this part of your face.
Have you changed, or are you still the same? I guess I never know. I'm lost in a fairy tale.
Now that I've set my concealer, I'm going to go on ahead and use the DuCare contour brush to set my contour using my smudge pressed powder in the shade Mahogany. One thing I love about this brush already is that it's so soft that it gets rid of that harsh contour line that you'd usually see if I was just using a regular brush. But because these are luxury brushes, they just smooth out everything, and my base just looks airbrushed because of the fibers that they used to create these brushes. If you are a makeup artist, I would suggest that you invest in this makeup brush set because your clients will love it and they will keep on coming back because it feels like a pamper session. To the rest of my face, I will be going in with my Yardley pressed powder once again in the shade Walnut, this time using my DuCare large powder brush. I have literally never felt a brush softer than these brushes. Oh wow. Like clouds. I would imagine clouds would feel like this, so air-like. And now for lips, I'm going to line and overline my lips using my brown eye pencil, and I'm going to smudge it out using my DuCare Beauty lip brush lipstick. I will be wearing my Catrice plumping gel lipstick. It looks like I will not be needing that lip brush anymore. And now to lock everything in, I will be going in with my Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray.
Fall back to you.
Just like that, bestie, we have made it to the end of today's DuCare the Queen Set makeup brush review. I, for one, absolutely love these makeup brushes. They make me feel like I am living the soft life. They are so luxurious. I have never felt makeup brushes like these in all my time of using makeup. They are more on the luxurious side, so they are perfect for gifting, to buy for yourself, to pamper yourself with. They are the perfect brush set for any makeup enthusiast, and I urge you to head on over to DuCare's website to check them out for yourself, amongst other things that they have on that website. And you can use the code LADI25 across the whole entire website to get 10% off your purchase. And yeah, we have made it to the end of today's tutorial, so please click on this video to watch next, because if you enjoyed this beat, darling, I know you're gonna love that one as well. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and show your girl some love. I will catch up with you beauties again in my next one. Bye.